First Test Medical Diagnosis Center, or no, and this issue, American Yama, we say, into no, or you're very good in First Test Medical Diagnosis Center, or no, or your lab, or you're actually a firm that pushes this kind of test kits into practicals, making sure that your sample is taken and rendered and checked, and make sure that the analysis that is quantitative and quantitative, and then making sure so what you should know so we yale and now yale and sana yama withdraw. I mean the do lab issues, laboratory issues into per scan, open ECG, open see a check modem, you check blood group, you check sickling status. You understand? There are some people in life they don't even check whether the person who is mingling me is AS, SS, and I say whatever sickling status into electrophoresis kakra and as a pregnant woman you need to go to First Test Medical Diagnosis Center na omuntumi enye A and C ma o ye check hepatitis B ni nyama bebre say na ba akwa no akola no hye yem no or the child in your stomach will be fine. You understand? First Test Medical Diagnosis Center omo number ni omo atareka ashaiman atareka. Hey, you know Ashaiman Atareka, the numbers be 055 7635217. Hey, take the numbers again 055 7635217. And anytime their doors are opened, this is a biggest radio station. 6.3 This is your biggest radio station.
Parrot 6.3 FM.
I said this is
Parrot 6.3 FM.
Yes, and we are live on Power 6.3 FM. My next sponsor is a Fabi Drakuta.
Happy birthday to home.
A Fabi Drakuta too. SMN Cancer say, oh no, or you good. Oh, sir, art and seminar.
Around the world. It's me or that. Today is your day. It's your special day. Let's celebrate it and let's jubilate. Today is your day. It's your special day. Let's celebrate.
A Fabi Drakuta tattoos or no or bet me a covasa or scar. You have you have a certain scar on your body that a Fabi Drakuta tattoos or so link up now or to me epicamount or tattoo that the business and in by ye as an ink and in Swafra.
We wish you prosperity to live till eternity. Mama, they love you.
A Fabi Drakuta tattoos, expecting all tattoos, he said they give you permanent ink, and also a protective ink for a permanent tattoo, and it is not cancerous.
This is our prayer for you.
A Fabi Drakuta tattoo 0591503194 0500610672. My number one number is 0591503194 0591503194 0500610672. Abayonye call bometu when any ukon juban online where KOBBY space the music god, coverage the music god, coverage music worldwide everywhere. Vanguard business worldwide. We are also on PARROT online, Parrot Radio online, 6.3 FM.
DJ Michael's production.
Kelly Sprint, eke ebemu kodon, eke bononi yo, it was so more tomo blue ke paper. Ota no free designs, ota no free no mean tomo t-shirt flyer bona MPP ke NDC party am t-shirt ke ni bi na me fio ke duku ke klala ke ni bi ani pen ke boss ni am mai ke ni bi ke design ni afio ke obituary ke poster ke advert na kan ni me nchon me passion say opesa wo ye advert bi this poster design send ya backdrop ni banners ni ya wo ye party bi opesa design woman now product be an ice cream be and be a wood tongue per se. Yeah, this sticker picture will be born and if you know let me tell you that they are available for you with branding of your things, graphic design. Oh, yeah, expect one. They are somewhere around number 1 or more, number 1 junction close to number 1 station, Kakasunanka off the Akosombo Road, the Sir and Pacho, Kelly Springs. The numbers that you can actually call to know the location and the direction for a permission is 0546781378. 0546781378. Also, you can call Current Springs on 054380529. We want to actually be a sponsor.